Hello from Big City Luxury. Today we're going to do an ammo can opening. This is the Korean surplus M1 Carbine. It is brass case and non-corrosive. Each ammo can contains 1,080 rounds. I'd ordered two of these, one from SG Ammo and one from Classic Firearms. This can fully loaded weighs 42 pounds, so not a light one. As you can see, this one has some surface rust, so this is the least desirable of the two, at least in terms of what it looks like. But it's a typical M2A1 ammo can, one you'd find on eBay, and with 50 caliber .223, 5.56 rather. We'll just get a quick look at the underside, and then we'll go tabletop and do the actual opening and see what is inside. See you in a moment. And like magic, we're our tabletop. Again, this ammo can has 1,080 rounds of Korean surplus M1 Carbine. Once we get this, it's from the 1980s, so there might be some pressure trying to get this top open. We should see inside 9 bandoliers, and in each bandolier there'll be 12 clips, and of course in each clip there'll be 10 rounds. So 10 times 12 times 9 is 1,080. So let's give this a try. Very nice. There we go. Looking good here. Metal in the clip is a little tarnished. Not too bad. Let's see if this actually works. Ta-da! Magazine loaded with 10 rounds of M1 30 carbine ammo. South Korean surplus from the 1980s. Watch for part 2 of this video probably months down the road where I can actually fire these out of the M1. Thank you very much for joining today.